Well, hello everyone. It is Mr. Sunshine, Realtor Ready, coming to you live right here, right now, as things are taking place. And as you can see, as it's written on the marquee, it is closing today. That's right, Miss Sunshine, Realtor Ready just closed on another property today for one of my dear friends who's going to be using this as a once a month weekend getaway. And as you can see, we're coming here right now and we're going to walk that aisle right in. Here it is. Take a look at this. As a matter of fact, I'm getting ready to change the locks out. We're going to put all brand new locks in. I always change the locks on my clients. You can see how beautiful it is in here. Big opened up area, stainless steel, nice beautiful stove. We've got the refrigerator here, dishwasher, and as you can see, crown moldings all the way around. This is how we do it now, Mr. Sunshine. We're going to put brand new locks in, so we don't know what people have the keys to it. You can see beautiful floors here. We're going to walk in here. This is a one bedroom, beautiful tiled, crown moldings all the way around the top there. Absolutely phenomenal. So we're going to walk over here. We got a beautiful sink here. Look at that sink, brand new commode, and a beautiful walk-in shower. You can see it's tiled all the way around. It's got the glass doors with the nice frames. Charlie Perkins. You know, Charlie, let me tell you something, Daddy. When Mr. Sunshine has things to do, this is how we do it, okay? As a matter of fact, we're going to come on over here and we're going to set this right here as such. And we're going to go to school right now. That's right. I think this is going to stay. So we're going to go ahead, locksmith Eddie, going to put this down. We're going to start popping these out. We don't fool around. Brand new everything. I don't think. When you're dealing with locked Realtor Ready, you're going to get the whole thing. We're already lining up. Cleaning companies coming in. We got furniture people coming in. And this condo is going to be used for a weekend getaway once a month. My dear friend wanted to get something down here so they can get ready just like we did last night. Hitting all the clubs, the bars, the restaurants. So they want to get in on the action. So this is how we do it. So I understand up in Uniontown, Pennsylvania, somebody's up there removing the trees, getting rid of all of the debris around the place up on National Pike. There it is. There's the doors there. We're going to come over here. We're going to pull these off. Can you hold this right here so they have the opportunity to see it live, how Mr. Sunshine gets things done? We don't fool around. We got to get it done here. Another closing here. What is the date? The 7th? The date's the 7th. And our first closing for the year. This is how we do it. So we're going to put 2 doorknobs, 2 deadbolts, all keyed alike. And as soon as I'm done, we're going to go do a little shopping today. I think we're going to go to the Church Mouse. We're going to do a little Church Mouse shopping. My dear friends last night, whoo, they were styling in profile. I swear to God, they looking so fine. Well, let me tell you something, Daddy. Last night, you were really cooking in that outfit. Yes, I was really impressed. You impressed me last night. I'll tell you. Yeah, this man can get dressed up and look as only he can look. Well, I'll tell you. You know, I've been a locksmith. As a matter of fact, if you saw Locksmith Eddie's videos about 30 minutes ago, we just popped those 2 big bank vaults open. I had a gun safe and a bank vault that we did to get today. This is how we do it. we like to get all the brand new screws out here. We're going to make sure we do everything and get it done. This I've been doing for 40 years. I could probably do this blindfolded. Let's go and put this in. My dear friend Charlie Perkins up there in Brownsville, Pennsylvania. You know, Charlie, when you're talking about Mr. Sunshine, you're talking about a lot going on. You're talking about Realtor Ready. You're talking about Locksmith Eddie. You're talking about Rolls Royce Technician Eddie. It's all intertwined. We're all wrapped up. And you know, like last night when I unwrapped the wrapper, you're getting the 3 trifecta. You know, Mark, it's a little hard for me right now. It's hard for Mr. Sunshine. You know, we're going to get this done, and then we're going to head on over, and we're going to get ready to party over there. So-and-so's room. Cover. There we go. Now Charlie Perkins, he owns the diner up there. Hard-working guy. He's one of the hardest working guys I know. Charlie, I watched your Facebook video. I see what's going on up there. You are styling and profiling, working every day. Living in that big mansion up there. Look at that. Whether I'm changing locks here or on your chastity belt, it's one and the same, okay? It's one and the same. So what are we going to eat today? You want to go Surfside Diner? We'll eat something light today. We'll eat at Surfside, and then later tonight we'll figure out where we're going to eat. Who knows where it may lead us. Now one key's going to fit all of these locks. Now you've done air conditioning, you know the game. You got to get done, get in, get out, get to the next appointment, just like Mr. Sunshine here. This is interfering with our shopping. We got to go shopping. We got to go shopping. That's where we're going. Yes. Jacket today? We'll see what's going on up there. You never know.
Maybe another jacket, maybe some dark pants.
Yeah, there you go. And then when you're ready, I'm going to give you one of my jackets.
What have I got to do with that?
Oh.
I don't think it would fit me.
Oh, we'll find one that fits you. Don't you worry.
You're way broader in the shoulder.
I'm way fatter than you are. See, you're a lean, mean machine. But I'm losing some weight too, so there ain't no question about it.
shoulders though. Shoulders are way wider.
Damn it, that's screwing in sideways.
Got those big shoulders, hold up those big muscles.
Yeah. Sure. I'm gonna take this one. So what are you in the mood to eat today?
I'm not really sure right now. I had snacked on some Waldorf salad and garlic croutons.
Oh, you're ready for a meal now.
Yeah, that was good snack.
Go. Perfect. Perfecto. Go. Look at that beautiful shot. Get this thing done. That. Look at that, huh? Beautiful. Man, damn. So when you're dealing with Realtor Ready, we're going to find you the best place. We're going to get you the sunny South Florida lifestyle. You're going to live that sunny South Florida lifestyle, and then we're going to change your lots for you. So you're getting the one-stop shop right here. One-stop shop served up by Mr. Sunshine as only he can. So there we go. My client's going to like that. Brand new locks. It makes it so much easier when somebody can hold the camera and not have to sit here with one hand. And there we have it. Locks up, nice and tight. Locks up, right into the frame. We're done. There you have it, Mr. Sunshine at Realtor Ready. For looking for a real estate to live the sunny South Florida lifestyle, pick up that phone, 561-693-8636. Coming to you live here in sunny South Florida. Woo!